Welcome back to Planet Snaps. Today, we are visiting a planet that looks like Earth's twin,
But in reality, it is a cosmic serial killer. Meet HD 1897733b.
from a distance, it looks like a beautiful deep blue marble floating in space. You might think, oh, blue sky. Maybe there's a beach and some cold drinks.
Wrong! That blue color isn't from oceans. It's from clouds of silicate particles.
In simple English, it's a planet that rains liquid glass. Imagine standing on a world where the weather forecast isn't partly cloudy, but deadly shards of glass.
Falling at 7,000 kilometers per hour. Yes, the winds here move 7 times faster than sound.
If you stood in this rain, you wouldn't just get wet, you'd be sliced into a million pieces before you could even scream. It's not a planet, it's a giant spinning blender filled with broken windows. Physics on this world is officially a comedy show. The temperature is over 900 degrees Celsius.
So it's raining boiling glass sideways at supersonic speeds.
NASA discovered this and probably decided to never, ever go there. It's a cosmic flex that proves the universe has a very dark sense of humor. But why the blue color? It's a literal trap. It's like the universe put a beautiful click here button on a planet that is actually a virus.
It's a glitch simulation where the most beautiful things are the most illegal.
If you landed here, your spaceship would be sandblasted into dust in milliseconds. Why does the universe need a planet that rains glass sideways? Is it a factory for intergalactic mirrors? Or did the creator just have a mental breakdown?
While designing this solar system, it's aggressive, it's beautiful, and it's completely insane.
If you think your life is hard because it's raining outside and you forgot your umbrella,
Just remember HD 1897733b.
at least your rain doesn't try to turn you into a human puzzle. This planet is proof that we are living in a broken simulation where blue skies is just a code for instant death. Subscribe to Planet Snaps right now before the simulation decides to replace our rain with glass too. Stay curious, stay savage, and for the love of everything, wear a helmet. I'll see you in the next breakdown of reality. Peace out. Planet Snaps official. Stay tuned for more cosmic chaos.